Hello friends, today our topic is snail. For that require one origami paper, one sketch pen or pen or pencil and one scissor. So let's start to make snail. First we have to keep the white paper up like this way. Then we have to fold from the middle like this way, so we will get the triangle shape, and we have to give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Now unfold it. Now till middle line we have to fold the paper from both the side like this way, so we will get the triangle shape from both the side like this way. From here also fold the paper and we have to give the crease. Now from here also we have to fold the triangle till middle line like this way from both the side, and we have to give the crease properly. From here also like this way. Now what we have to do, now we have to take the 2 fingers measurement and we have to fold the paper like this way and give the crease. Now again we have to take 1 finger and we have to fold the paper like this way, okay, like this way, and we have to give the crease. Now we have to fold the paper from like this way. From the middle we have to fold the paper and we have to give the crease. Give the crease like this way. Now we have to keep the paper like this way, and now we are making the tail of that snail. So what we have to do it, we have to fold the paper like this way in a slant way, and we have to give the crease like this way. And now our snail is ready. Now what we have to do, we have to cut this part from the middle. We have to cut this part from the middle like this way. Now we will turn this paper. Now we will draw the circle, continuous circle. We have to draw the continuous circle. So our snail is ready. Our snail is ready. Now you have to give the background and stick on it. You have to draw the continuous circle like this way. Thank you.